Good morning, student. In today's lecture, we will study about temporal fossae in reptiles. First, in order to study the temporal fossae of the reptiles, first we need to study what are the skulls of reptiles. What are the different types of skulls of reptiles? There are 5 different types of skulls of reptiles. First is the anapsid skull, the eurapsid skulls, the parapsid skull, the synapsid skulls, and the dynapsida skull. Okay, thus they have 5 type of skulls. All these words will sound similar to you. That is acid, euraps, then paraps, whereas synapse, diaps. What does this apse means? This apse means APS. Apse mean a hole, fenestra or vacuity. And if the vacuity or the holes is been present or have to be found in the hind end of the temporal skull, temporal region of the skull, then it is be skull with uh, then it is said to be a temporal fossae. Okay, and this for better understanding we will just refer the first type of skull, that is anapsida. Before going a temporal region or temporal skull of the reptiles, for that, to study that, we will first refer a type of skull, that is anapsida. This anapsida has or the bones of the skulls of reptiles have been placed arranged in a space such a way that it forms a 3 rows: the topmost row, the base, and the middle row. The topmost row, that is consists of 3 types of bones, that is nasal, frontal, and squamosal. Parietal bone. Nasal, front, and parietal bone. Where base one is consist of 4 types of bone, that is premaxilla, maxilla, jugal, and quadratojugal bone. Okay, now remains the middle row. The middle row comprise of lacrimal, preorbital, supraorbital, orbital, and squamosal bone. So the skull of bones are arranged in a row and it forms a topmost row, base, and middle row. The topmost row comprises 3 types of bone: nasal, frontal, and parietal. They comprise of 4 types of bones: premaxilla, maxilla, jugal, and quadratojugal. Okay, whereas the middle row is comprised of lacrimal, preorbital, supraorbital, postorbital, and squamosal bone. Total 5 type of bones. Okay, as bones, there have been nasal cavity and the orbit for the placement or opening for eyes and nasal for nostril. Okay, so this apart from this orbit and the nasal cavity, there is a present this present in all, there has been present of all bones. But look at the this look at carefully to this part, anapsida, the region. Did you find any type of fenestra or the cavity here in this type of anapsid, or particular in a temporal region? In this region, did you find anything? No. Say anapsid means, they are devoid, or they will be, there is no fossae is present. That's why it is called as an anapsida. Okay, and the of the extinct reptile. and this Anapsida forms a stem reptiles they have given rise to the modern days reptile. Okay, that is Samuria, as well as only in like two living forms this type of skull is now been found, that is in turtles and tortoises. In turtles and tortoise shows this kind of Anapsida skull.